Hi, welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we'll discuss pair RDD. So, what is pair RDD? The name itself indicates that pair means it will having uh, in the RDD will have key value in the form of key value. That RDD is called pair RDD. For example, for example, val x equal to sc dot make RDD of array of Java something key and value some 100 comma scalar 200 Python 300. What is alternatives? Make RDD array of Java. Okay, something syntax is here. Yes, if you see here, this RDD is in the form of key value. Key is a string. See RDD of string comma int. Key. But if you declare pair RDD by default, its Spark will consider first element as a key, second element as a value. First element is Java, it is key. Second element as a value. Key value. Like that, Spark automatically it will recognize. So this is pair RDD. In Spark, or if you want to perform any kind of operation like reduce by key, group by key, if you want to do joins, all these things, there should be you have to convert that RDD to key value pairs. Then you have to perform the operations. For example, we'll perform a group by key on top of this group by key on this pair RDD. Group by key, as we discussed earlier, group by key is a wide transformation. When you are applying group by key, lot of data shuffling will be happen. That's why we call as a wide transformation, right? So group by key method groups the values based on the key. Groups the values based on the key. It will group the all the values. For example, we'll create one RDD. Well, some a equal to sc dot make RDD of array of some Hadoop and 1000. Okay, one key. Second key Spark Spark 2000. Again Hadoop. I'm creating repetitive elements because our main aims to based on the key value it has to group, right? So I am giving some similar to three same keys. It should group based on the key. This group by key operation. 5000. TQ PySpark 6000. Okay, I have created a one RDD like key value pairs. This is a key, this is a value. So I will perform group by key val op equal to a dot group by key okay. To see the output okay, we have to do op dot collect dot for each of println. Okay, if you see PySpark, so it is grouping based on the key PySpark 60,000, Spark 2000. See Hadoop here two times I have given 1000, 5000, 1000, 5000. So if you want to do some cumulative operations, group by key and every element you want to add, then sorry, missing parameter. Okay, okay. Yeah. We cannot perform this aggregation on this. It based on the key value pair. It will group the data. That's it. That is the main intention of the group by key. So this is the example for a pair RDD. Sometimes they will ask you what is a pair RDD? The RDD having data in the form of key value pairs, that is called a pair RDD. Okay, thanks for watching.